Hey everyone, welcome back to Hack the Metric. Today we're embarking on an exciting journey deep into the world of APIs, the backbone of modern software development. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, buckle up as we explore every nook and cranny of APIs, from the basics to advanced topics. Let's dive in. Before talking about API hacking, first know what exactly is an API. An API, or Application Programming Interface, is like a language that enables different software systems to communicate and interact with each other. It defines the rules and protocols for requesting and exchanging data between applications, allowing seamless integration and functionality. APIs come in various flavors, each tailored to specific needs and technologies. We have RESTful APIs, SOAP APIs, GraphQL APIs, and more. Each type has its own set of rules and conventions for communication. For instance, RESTful APIs use HTTP requests to perform actions, while SOAP APIs rely on XML-based messaging formats. API security. As APIs become increasingly ubiquitous, they've also become prime targets for cyber attacks. API hacking involves exploiting vulnerabilities in the API infrastructure to gain unauthorized access, steal sensitive data, or disrupt services. API hacking tactics can be sophisticated and multifaceted. From injection attacks to authentication bypasses, hackers employ various techniques to exploit weaknesses in API implementations. It's crucial to understand these threats and fortify your APIs against them. To fortify, provide a place with defensive works as protection against attack. Your APIs, you need a robust security strategy. 1. Input validation. Validate and sanitize all user input to prevent injection attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, XSS. 2. Authentication and authorization. Implement strong authentication mechanisms such as OAuth 2 and enforce granular access controls to restrict unauthorized access. 3. Encryption. Secure data transmission using HTTPS to protect sensitive information from eavesdropping and interception. 4. Rate limiting and throttling. Implement rate limiting to control the number of requests from a single client and prevent denial of service, DOS, attacks. 5. Continuous monitoring. Monitor API traffic and audit logs for suspicious activities and respond promptly to security incidents. Now let's shift gears and talk about optimizing your APIs for performance and efficiency. By following best practices such as caching, asynchronous processing, and minimizing unnecessary data transfers, you can enhance the speed and responsiveness of your APIs, providing a better experience for users. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering APIs, from understanding the basics to securing and optimizing your API infrastructure. I hope you found this video insightful and empowering. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on hacking, programming, and technology. Until next time, happy hacking!